Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour. We're getting important information that the President of Pakistan has released a statement. And important to understand that this is a statement with regards to the Afghanistan strikes that have been recently conducted by Pakistan. Remember that there have been strikes as well as counter-strikes. The President of Pakistan has gone on to say, and I quote, that Pakistan will not compromise on peace and territorial integrity. Our armed forces' response is comprehensive and decisive. Remember that this also comes as the confirmation of the strikes taking place. Important to understand that the President Asif Ali Zardari has gone on to say that those who mistake our peace for weakness will face a strong response and that none will be beyond reach. This, of course, is the latest threat that he's issued to Afghanistan. Remember that this comes amid heightened tensions between Pakistan and Afghanistan. We think a fresh statement come about from the President of Pakistan, Asif Ali Zardari, who's gone on to say that Pakistan will not compromise on peace and territorial integrity. He's further even gone on to comment on the armed forces' response, in fact terming it as comprehensive and decisive. Well, on this, my colleague Vishal Vivek joining us on the broadcast. Vishal, I wish to understand what exactly are the immediate consequences for the tensions, of course, escalating between Pakistan and Afghanistan?
Well, the immediate consequence, of course, would be the civilian people who will be trapped in this conflict on both the sides, because this is a restive region, as we have been reporting, and it has population of millions of people on both the sides, which seem to have been targeted. And Pakistan does claim that it has targeted some of the TTP positions, the Tehrik-e-Taliban Pakistan positions inside Afghanistani territory that have been used in the recent past to launch attacks on the Pakistani side. But these claims have been denied by the Afghanistan side, and also some of the local reporters that have been reporting this, they seem to indicate that many of these strikes have only targeted civilian homes, civilian people, women and children. How many people have been killed in these recent attacks? Those details are still coming in, but we've heard that when the Pakistani side launched overnight attacks on Sunday, 4 or 5 days ago, at least 3 to 4 dozen people could have been killed, 3 to 4 dozen civilians could have been killed on the Afghanistani side. But Pakistan is, holding its ground and saying that it has only targeted TTP positions and also ISIS-affiliated positions. It specifically mentioned 7 positions inside the Afghanistani territory that it had attacked over the last weekend. But several reports indicate that these claims are false and only civilian areas were targeted. There are many visuals that seem to indicate that women and children were targeted. As I have been saying, Pakistani Air Force have been, they have been, accused of, launching these attacks on the civilians in the recent past.